In this video, we're gonna create a spreadsheet to make a budget. So we're on, you know the deal, table of contents, solving problems, and spreadsheet using Google Sheets. Let's begin. To create a new Google Sheet, it's like a spreadsheet. It's a bunch of boxes. It's used to organize information, and you can calculate things to make budgets and organize data. So the easy way is just to do sheets.new and press enter. That'll make a new Google Sheet if you're logged into your Gmail, or you can go to Google Drive and click new Google Sheet. So that's two ways to do it. So better lunch. Make a title. Let's share it. Restricted, anyone, viewer, copy. Go back to your problem page. Under important links, enter, Control V, or right click paste, tab. Now your spreadsheet's there. I'm going to change it to Better Lunch Budget. When the name changes, you can go back to where you pasted that thing, and if you hover, title out of date, update, yes, it'll change it. Let's begin. So, product name, link, price, how much does it cost, quantity, how many are you gonna get, and total. Let's find our first product. Home Depot. Gonna look for boxes. Moving supplies. Again, just try to get two items minimum that relates to your problem. It could be paper, it could be a printer, anything that relates. It's gonna be a little difficult for some, but let's just say you want to, okay, that one. This is how you do it. Highlight the name, Control C to copy, and Control V to paste. But it's huge. So to make it simple, or to take away the formatting, go to Format and clear formatting. Now it's normal. And now you can't see the whole thing, so if you want to resize it, you hover your mouse between the two columns that it's in. So right there, the arrow looks white, just drag it out. Now it has more space. Or you can double click it to, let's just say it's like that. If you double click, it'll resize automatically based on the content that's in this. It's called a cell, this box. Anyway, let's click on the one to select the whole row and make it bold. And let's change the background color, the fill color, to like a gray, so it stands out. And the link, so the link, go back to the product, click on the URL, Control C, and then click on the box, Control V. The issue is now it's kind of, this cell, if I click on the cell, it shows that here's the value to it, but it's kind of going beyond into other cells. To fix that, you select the column, B, and this little button here, text wrapping. Click that arrow and clip. So it'll just clip it. But if you click on that cell, it shows that the whole value is there. Price, $14.98. Quantity, let's do 2. Total, so here's the first calculation you're gonna do. Do an equal sign to say, it just kind of starts, that means that you're gonna make an equation. So equal sign, click on that cell there, say that's the first one we wanna do. And then Shift 8, that's a star, that's a multiplication, and then click on the quantity. Enter. That's it. So if you click on the cell, it shows you the value. So I got this and multiplied it by that. So $14.98 times 2 is $29.96. If I click on the cell, the formula shows up here, so I can edit this thing later. So it's C2, so C2 times D2. C2 is that, times star D2, right there, equals, let's try it again. Let's find something else. Let's just do anything. Let's just do that one. So again, highlight the title, paste it in there. So I'll just go through it. So highlight, Control C. Oh, by the way, Shift Control V. Well, yeah, never mind. That usually works. You can also write. Let's just paste it. Control V. Format. Clear formatting. Let's double click the column to resize. The link. Control C. Control V. Price. $2.99.98. $2.99.98. Quantity 3. Here we go. This is kind of cool. You can apply this calculation to this row by clicking on it, hovering over the blue bubble in the corner, and dragging it down. So now the formula there is C3 times D3. So C3 is there times D3. This one is C2 times D2. C2. So you get it applies the calculation in it. Kind of, it's a smart calculation where it says, oh, you mean this row? Do the same thing to this row. And you can just, keep going down the line. Let's make a total. Equal sign, start typing sum, select sum, highlight the boxes you want to add, enter. So let me show it again. Equal sign, sum, select sum, highlight the boxes you want to add together, enter. So now this formula, if I click there, the formula's here. So it's E2 through, that's the colon, through E3. So E2, E3. So it adds those up to equal this. So on these rows, it's multiplication. This times that equals this. This times that equals that. This cell is adding all of that column up. So these are rows, left and right, and these are columns, up and down. Let's make it bold. Let's change the color. And that's how you do it. Now your link is in your problem page. Done.